Welcome back to this video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you on how to check supplier review and how you can translate it on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's meet. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Starbucks or Pinduoduo or iDoWish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation with Pinduoduo shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to check suppliers reviews on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on here. Then having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down. Right here, you can use any product, any supplier as far as this is concerned. So the most important thing is for you to understand how to check the review and how to translate the review into whatever language of your choice. So you'll be able to understand what the reviewer have to say about the supplier product in terms of quality, in terms of fast delivery, etc., before you can go ahead and make a purchase decision from that particular supplier. Okay, so I'm going to use a product right here as an example. So we are going to try and see this particular product right here. I'm going to use this as an example, this product here. So I will just click on the product link. Then it open up to this particular page. Okay, now for us to check on the review on this particular sales page, we can simply scroll down. Right here, this product here has been sold with over 1,000 people in the past. So you can see the rating right here. Now we need to click on here to check and see all the rating, what people have to say about the store before we can go ahead and consider them. So this buyer here even go ahead and upload video of how the fan is working majestically. Okay, we can scroll down and see more people rating. Okay, so take a look at this one here also. This one also upload video picture of how the fan look like after it got delivered to their doorstep. This is another rating here, video and picture. Okay, so we can scroll down and see more. Now we want to translate some of this rating into our understanding language. Now this particular buyer here, this is the buyer name, is a Chinese citizen. So this is you have to simply scroll down, and this is the rating from this particular buyer. Now, before we can make a purchase decision, this is one of the things you need to take into consideration. You have to properly check on the review of any supplier and understand more better before you go ahead and place the order. Now, for us to translate this, what I'm going to do is to simply make a screenshot of this page. Okay, having made a screenshot, I'm going to simply exit from my Pinduoduo shopping app and head over to my Chrome browser. So whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, you can simply use this method to translate whatever Chinese language to whatever language you understand. Now, for us to translate, we just need to click on this camera icon from our Chrome browser. So the most important thing is to make use of Chrome browser. Then it open up this page. Next thing we want to do is to select the screenshot. Then we have to choose translate this time around. Then automatically it translates it. And by default, my language has been set to be English language. Okay. Now, if you want to read this, just zoom out. Now, this is what this particular previous buyer has to say. And I said, logistic is also very fast. That is good for that. I placed the order yesterday. I received it this morning. Wow. And you can see, then you can install directly after receive goes. So these are just previous. And I didn't understand after this customer service. So these are just FAQ question by Pinduoduo shopping app. So the most important thing here is what the buyer have to say here. Receive the fan. Logistic also very fast. I placed the order yesterday. I received it this morning. So these are very good rating. Okay, now if you want to change this to another language that you understand better, what you need to do is to simply click on English language right here. Okay, then they take you to this particular page. Right here, you can choose any type of language. What you need to do is to download the language and install it on your Chrome browser. So I have some already downloaded language right here, like this German language right here is in offline. So if I click on it, it automatically translates everything. You can see, so you can see the language here has fully changed from Chinese to from English to German. So if I enlarge it this way, you see this is the German language. So if you want to change to another language, click on German right here and look for your country spoken language and download the language. Like for instance, I want to download this Bulgarian. So click on Bulgarian. So if a Bulgarian is the language you understand, the Google is going to ask you this. Just simply click on download. Okay, so click on download, then it's going to prepare the file. So this is just about 125 megabyte file. So you have to wait for some minutes to allow it to completely download to 100% before you can eventually use it for your translation on Google Chrome. So let's wait. All right, so after a successful download, next thing you need to do is to switch from German to Bulgarian. So I'm going to click on Bulgarian right here. Click on Bulgarian, boom. So it automatically changes to Bulgarian. By the time I increase at the screen right here, you can read Bulgarian language. Basically, this is how to check supplier review and how to translate it to whatever language you understand. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.